Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. Thanks so much for tuning in to watch this video. I appreciate that. Y'all, today we're gonna get into another Coach unboxing. This is gonna be two items, and this is that Ventura Duffle 28 in that black, kind of a patent leather material, and the pouch that came with the charms as well in that same color. So I'm gonna unbox that for y'all and we're gonna go over and review it. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I appreciate you for coming and watching this video. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all definitely hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok and I post a lot of stuff on Instagram as well. So you definitely wanna check that out. For everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there, shopping links and discount codes, and you can also find my Depop closet and shop there as well. I've got some really good items listed there for sale right now, so definitely check that out. Lastly, if everybody could just take one moment and give this video a big thumbs up for a like, it does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate that. So y'all, with all that being said and out of the way, let's go ahead and get on with this Coach unboxing. Now, I ordered this bag and this pouch together. I spent about 2 weeks ago, maybe a little bit more, give or take. But I ordered them and then all of a sudden, out of the blue, they canceled the bag because it was out of stock. Coach keeps doing this. They keep selling stuff and then you'll get your order canceled because they're out of stock. But this is what I don't understand. So the order was canceled. They had the pouch. I go online and I'm like, look, if I can't get the bag and the pouch, I don't really want the pouch that I don't have the bag to match. So can you just cancel my order? And of course, since it was already shipped, they couldn't cancel the order until the bag got here and then you could return it. And I said, that's fine. If I have to just do a return on it, that'll be fine. But anyway, she said I can try to get it in the mail and try to do a cancellation and a return through the USPS shipping. Anyway, with that being said, they canceled the bag order, but 2 days later, it was back in stock on the Coach outlet website. So I don't understand that. If you were gonna get more stock in, why didn't you just send me the bag 2 days later, hold off a day or two because you knew you were getting extra stock? I guess Coach just doesn't know what stock they have or what they're gonna have or anything about their inventory. So I don't know, but I'm tired of it. So they sent the pouch and I actually got the pouch. And since it was restocked 2 days later, I reordered the bag and I have the bag now. So that's what we're gonna unbox today, just to get that story out of the way. But I do have the pouch. The pouch came in a asbestos envelope. Y'all know how I feel about those. But I've already unboxed it, so I'm gonna show you that first, and then we're gonna open up that Ventura 28 duffel. So here is the pouch. I already have it here, and it is opened up here, but it's a really nice size pouch, and it came with all these charms and stuff on it. And we're gonna open the duffel bag, and I'm gonna show you both of them up close. So this is the pouch here. It's like a little wristlet pouch, and the wristlet comes off, but are really nice, and it's shiny, kind of like a patent leather. But I'll definitely show y'all that and some close-up details on this pouch in just a moment. So I'm just glad I was able to get both of them, even though they canceled my bag order to start with. But let's unbox the bag here. It came in just a typical, Coach box. I was happy that it came in a box and that it was actually in the box. I don't know if you saw my last video of my Dooney Russell tote that flew out into the yard. But anyway, let's open it up together here. I have my little cat claw here, and let's cut into this little bag and see what we've got here. But yeah, that was the worst delivery I've ever had. So at least this one's in a box, y'all. I'm happy about that. All right, so here is the box. Let's open it up together. All right, and gotta love this tape and padding stuck on each other. All right, so like I said, I'm just glad it's actually in a box this time. All right, so here it is down in the box. All right, see that there? All right, so let's get this Ventura bag out and see what we've got here. And there it is in the plastic. So let's see what we've got here. Let's open it up together on camera here. All right, so I really wasn't sure if I was gonna like this bag, but the more I kept looking at it, the more I was like, it's kind of like a Speedy style bag, and it's kind of like a Rowan, but I don't know, it just looked real classy, especially since it came with all the charms. But there it is, all wrapped up. And I'll just do a little spin here. And then of course I'll take all of the packaging and everything off of it, and we'll come back and I'll do some close-ups. But it's really nice. It does not have any feet or anything on the bottom of it, but the leather feels really nice on it, and it's a little bit shiny, but not super shiny. So I'll take everything off of it, and we'll come back and I'm gonna show you the Ventura 28 duffel and this pouch a little bit more up close. All right, y'all, so I was able to get all of the packaging and everything off of the pouch and the bag. So here's the bag. I'll show it to you up close here. Very nice. I like the leather on it. It's a little bit shiny in this light here. Let me turn off the light and I'll show you what it looks like in just normal lighting here. So that's what it looks like in just normal light. My camera adjust. Very nice. Turn on that light again so you can see it better. But it does have the Coach logoing on the front here embossed on it, so that's really nice. And then on the top here, you're gonna have a silver zipper pulled there. Very nice, and it has the Coach logoing and everything on it. And moving to the side, you have a real big nice D-ring there. And then on the D-ring, you're gonna have a couple of things here. You got your hang tag here in this pretty color, smaller hang tag. And then you get this little charm piece here that's in like a little leather tassel. And it has a silver die on it with a Coach logo little tag on it. So that's hanging from there too. And then you get your key here and it says Coach on it as well. So the key is really nice. I've got that on a couple of different bags. All right, I'm glad that they're including the charms with these bags. It just gives you little options to maybe put on other bags as well, and a little something extra for not too much money. There is your dog leash style wristlet piece, and it's very nice too. It feels good in my hands. So that is the exterior of the pouch. The back of it is basically just the same without the logoing on it. Let me show you the seams here down the side. So very nice. The bottom, like I said, is just smooth on the bottom. But a really nice pouch. I thought this would be good to just throw inside another tote or something to have. So I think this bag was like $119, and I want to say these are both sold out on the Coach USA website, but let's open it up together here and see the interior. The interior is just a black canvas material there, if you can see on the inside. So not a whole lot to that. There's no pockets. Then you do have your story patch there in that leather. So that's nice, but it's a nice pouch, and you got plenty of room to put most of your stuff in. If you just want to throw like your phone and a wallet or a few things like that in there, and then just throw it in a tote, that would be a good way to carry your stuff and just keep it all together. But so I want to say this little pouch was about $110, but it is sold out on the USA website. You may still be able to find it on the Canada website, so check it out there if you want to try to get one. Otherwise, you might be able to get one on like a reseller site. But let me show you the Duffle 28 here. So here it is. All right, and she's really cute. I love the black on it. This is a real good size tote. It's a little bit bigger. Like I said, it's a 28, so a bit bigger than a 25. The 25, like Speedy size to me, is almost too small. So I'm glad that they made it just a touch bigger. So it makes a little more room for me. There's your one luggage tag there. And then you get this other luggage tag too that is in a blue and a little bit larger. So that's your two luggage tag pieces. And then it has a charm on it as well. And it's just another little tassel here. And the tassel has your key on it with the Coach logoing and all on that. And then you get this other little tassel piece here that's like a leather, braided leather. So that's really cute that they put on there, and you have a little extra. You got Coach embossed on the front there. Like I said, the leather on these feels really good. Here is the one end here with the D-ring on it. The back side of it is basically the same without the embossment. You've got some silver hardware for the handles. There is no feed on this bag on the bottom, just kind of smooth. Now this end has a little extra piece. It's like a little, I don't know, like a little handle or something. I guess you could just use it to grab the bag with. And then you have your other D-ring there to attach the crossbody strap. So let me show you the top of it, and I'll show you these zippers I was talking about. I wish that the pouch had, I wish that this bag had similar zippers as the pouch does. They have the silver ones, and this one has the leather, kind of like what you would find like on your retail bags, but there it is in leather, and it's got Coach, of course, on the zippers. Let's open the bag up. So the interior of this bag is black as well, and there's the interior. And you only have two little slip pockets here. There's one on each side here. So there's one there and then one on the opposite side. And then otherwise, that is pretty much it on the interior of that bag. Nothing else to it. Of course, you do have your story patch in there. So there's the story patch. But otherwise, it's just one big opening with those two little slip pockets. You don't get a zipper pocket or anything like that that closes up, but that's okay. A little bit different. All right, so that is the little Duffle 28 Ventura. So we're gonna show you the strap, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna try this bag on for you, and then we'll see how it looks on me, okay? So let me show you the strap here. So here's the strap here. It's a pretty long strap. It's a little bit thinner than most straps, like your guitar size. It's not quite that, it's a little bit smaller. When I say smaller, I mean not this way, but fat-wise that way, if that makes sense. All right, and you have your two dog leash style attachment pieces here in that silver, and it has the Coach logoing and everything on those. All right, and then on the side of them too, you also get Coach on this little piece right there on the end. But it feels nice in my hands. It's kind of that soft, silky kind of material that it's made out of. And then there is your buckle that adjusts, and you have Coach on it as well on the other side there. So there's the logoing on that. But it's pretty long, like I said, so let's try it on and I'm gonna see what it looks like on. All right, y'all, here is the Ventura 28 duffel. This is what it looks like with the strap attached to it. I do have the strap all the way adjusted to the longest length on it. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty long, so it should wear really well. I'm about 6'2", so this is what it looks like on a 6'2" person. All right, so it goes down really low. It's a nice drop there, and that is on the longest length, like I said, so you can adjust it if you need it a little bit shorter. But it feels comfortable. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments of this bag. Does it look cute on me? What do y'all think? Is it giving me the right vibe or giving y'all the right vibe? I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to look in the mirror and see what I look like. I can't tell here in the camera, but I like the bag. I don't know, y'all tell me what you think about it. Crossbody. Of course, I do wear a lot of these just, you know, top handled, but it's not terrible, but I do like it. Yeah, so of course I'll have to put my own style on it, but really nice. And it's, like I said, an adjustable strap. So if you need it a little bit shorter, you can definitely adjust that as well. And let me just show you the pouch again up close here. There's the pouch here, and I think it'll be cute too to just be able to, you know, put in your hand and carry it like that with you. So really cute little pouch to just kind of throw all your stuff in and go. So I'm really happy with both these items. All right, y'all, so that is my review for today on this really nice Ventura 28 duffel from Coach, outlet, and the little pouch that goes with it. I'm super happy with both of them. Y'all let me know what you think about these in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my video on it. I hope I gave you enough information on both these items. Like I said, I think both of them are sold out here in the US. You may be able to still find them on the Canada Coach website on the outlet there. So definitely check it out, and you may be able to find it there and get it. But otherwise, I was glad to be able to get it, even though I had to reorder the bag twice. But that's the way things are going with Coach these days, it seems like. So y'all know what I mean if you are a Coachy. All right, y'all, so thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a video. I appreciate that. And if you can stop and give this video a like on your way out, it really does help my channel to grow. I will see y'all next time. It's gonna be June before I post another video, so this is my last long form video. Do be looking out for some shorts on some bag styling, so I'm gonna do those for sure. I'll see y'all in June. Bye.